Hello everyone. Today we will explore the process of building a beautiful structure from the ground up. A woman begins by carefully placing and aligning heavy timbers to form the perimeter of the foundation. She uses traditional woodworking techniques, mortising and tenoning pre-cut holes to join two large timbers. Using a large wooden mallet, she firmly taps the timbers together, ensuring a strong connection. The construction continues as she carefully places additional timbers, building the subfloor frame piece by piece. She lifts and carries each large timber herself, placing them on the foundation. Each new timber is meticulously installed in the right place, often requiring multiple adjustments and heavy hammering to achieve a tight fit. The joinery is precise, with mortise and tenon connections used throughout the structure to create a strong, cohesive frame without the need for nails or screws. Once the lower frame was in place, she added the cross braces, again using carefully crafted joints. She picked up a long beam, walked up to the structure, and deftly placed it in place, connecting it to the existing frame. With each added detail, the entire structure became stronger and more complex. The process was a testament to her strength, skill, and dedication, demonstrating a traditional and sustainable method of construction. Using a wooden hammer to assemble the beams is a classic technique in timber framing, as it allows for a strong connection without damaging the wood. Occasionally, her dogs and other farm animals would roam the site, adding to the rustic, world-removed atmosphere of her ambitious project. Sitting on the roof, she meticulously arranged large palm leaves, interwoven and overlapping to create a traditional, waterproof thatched roof. From the top of the roof, she covered the entire surface alone, transforming the wooden frame into a safe haven among the lush green mountains. After completing the roof, she began building the stairs to the upper floor. She placed 2 heavy, pre-notched joists and began assembling the steps. Using a large wooden mallet, she skillfully nailed each plank into place, the seams precise and neat, without the need for nails. She climbed up 1 step at a time, her dogs watching as the stairs took shape. After installing the steps, she added a central support beam for added stability before moving on to the railing. She attached the vertical posts and then carefully nailed the long handrail boards, ensuring the stairs were both functional and safe. Her work is a stunning example of traditional craftsmanship, combining strength, precision, and natural materials to create a functional and harmonious living space. She started by building the walls, nailing short vertical bamboo slats into place, then securing longer horizontal slats, creating a sturdy and airy design that allows for airflow. The joints were secured with twine, ensuring a tight and secure fit without the need for metal screws. Moving on to the upper sections, she installed longer vertical bamboo slats to form the main walls, leaving strategic gaps for windows. Each slat was carefully nailed to the frame, creating a uniform and eye-catching pattern. She then installed the shutters on the floor using an intricate assembly process. After placing the bamboo frame, she carefully inserted smaller pre-cut bamboo slats inside, creating dense mesh panels. Each intersection was then carefully tied with steel wire, demonstrating her patience and attention to detail. Once completed, she lifted the finished shutters onto the windows and skillfully attached them to the main structure, creating functional hinged windows. She repeated this process for all the windows and doors, transforming the open window into a secure and enclosed living space. Her resourcefulness and skill were evident in every step, as she single-handedly created a beautiful and functional home from the natural resources around her, demonstrating her mastery of traditional building techniques. After securing the bamboo, once again using the versatile bamboo strips that surrounded it. On the wooden floor, she spread out a rectangular frame. Once all the pieces were ready, she assembled them into several large slats. Using an electric drill, she carefully fastened each bamboo strip to the frame. The combination of traditional materials and modern tools highlighted her resourcefulness and practical approach to self-sufficiency. She worked with focus and precision, her hands moving with the confidence of an experienced builder. When the final screws were installed, marking a major milestone in the creation of her self-sufficient home in the jungle. The result is a testament to her incredible skill, determination, and deep connection to the natural world. A woman puts the finishing touches to her stilt house. Finally, she finishes the house by adding small decorative details. The project is over, but the journey to discover new constructions continues. See you in the next video.